It's Wednesday, the 9th of November. Elections are over. However, I think they're going to continue for at least another month, hopefully without ads. That would be good. So we can take a deep breath and not have to listen to he did this, she did this, oh my gosh, I don't like them, I don't like the, I'm over it. I will have to say that I personally was pleased, even though everybody I voted for did not necessarily win. Seems to appear to be a relatively, I don't know, there's a statement of a balance, right? Everything's close, like Senate, House of Representatives, state and national. There is something that seems to make sure that there's nothing leaning too far right and nothing leaning too far left, that we might be able to be in some sort of a compromising situation. Wouldn't that be amazing? Wouldn't that be amazing, the way things are supposed to work? Anyway, so I counted it as a blessing, even though some of my candidates didn't make it. It's all right. I still count it as a blessing. It's a good balance. All right. Enough politics. It's so nice to not have to listen to all that. Let's talk about cheaters. Shall we talk about cheaters? These are, I've shown you these before, but they're wonderful. They're from Evolve Eyewear, and I call them gels. They're from the Fresco company, and I've carried them for years. They are the best cheaters ever, and I'll tell you why. They weigh nothing, absolutely nothing. They are frameless, right? They're just frameless, and they are totally flexible. Everything bends. So if you are like me and wear trifocals, so when I go to bed and I want to read, I'm not going to read like this and hold my book. No way. I put my glasses down and I put these on, and it's perfect. Absolutely perfect. And they weigh nothing. And if I were to fall asleep, oh well, they would just bend and squish, but they don't. Or you can throw them on the floor and they won't break. Honestly, they are the best. They may not be the high fashion, but if you're just reading in bed, which is when I need them, these are amazing. If you're a person who wears them on your head, they weigh nothing. If you're a person who wears a chain around your neck, they weigh nothing. And they're just not going to break. So these are, I have them in 1.5s, 2, 2.5s, and 3s. So I have 4 sizes, and I have 5 colors, and they are each one $35. So get a couple pair for every room in the house. Like my husband, he has his next to the chair, next to the bed. So this one is tortoise. Can you see that it's tortoise? Yes. So this one is tortoise, very simple. And then this one is turquoise, which is lovely. Turquoise, if you're into blues, see that it's turquoise. And then this one is royal blue. I should have had these all opened. That would have been much more organized, but oh well. These are royal blue. Can you see them? Fantastic. I'm telling you, they are amazing. I have amber, which is pretty. It's a nice kind of orangey amber. And last but not least, red. So, from Evolve Eyewear, I call them gels. Here's the red. Perfect for reading in bed. It's the only time I get to read. I'm not a daytime reader, so I like to read in bed. Of course, it only lasts about 15 minutes because then, according to my husband, I'm snoring and life goes on. So anyway, sorry about that. Aging, such a lovely, lovely thing. So many nice attributes come with it. It's delightful. All right, enough of that. Call me, sign up, get your Evolves, 910-692-3528. The website, www.bellafilati.com. We can accommodate you with eyewear, $35 a pair. You need at least one, if not two. All right, I will see you tomorrow.